Hello, we're at 999 Bush, and this is apartment 506. We are on the 5th floor here out of 6. This building does have an elevator. We're looking at an efficiency studio today. So right when you open the unit door, you come into the main room of the studio. It is a corner unit, so it gets great natural light. Hardwood floors. There's a kitchenette. So we got some cabinets underneath and a 2-burner cooktop and a sink. The prior tenant had a microwave there on this shelf, or you could do an air fryer or something along those lines. This closet here could be used as a pantry, if you had additional kitchen things that you wanted to store. Okay. So this window here, just so you know, we're facing roughly south. And it's about 3 o'clock in the afternoon, just to give you an idea of the light. And then this window is facing roughly east, just to give you a sense of the exposures. Okay, nice tall ceilings. There is the heater, electric wall-mounted heater. And then when we pass through here, here's a full-size fridge. There's the breaker box for the unit. We got a lot of shelving here in this closet area, and then of course a bar to hang clothes here and here. And there's even room for a small dresser or something if you wanted to tuck that there, but nice big closet. And so after you pass through that area, you're into the bathroom. So we have a shower over tub. It's a clawfoot tub, tile floor in here. There's the towel rack, and then pedestal sink, got some shelving here, and a mirrored medicine chest that does open up. And there's some shelving inside there as well. Okay, so that's a quick look at the unit. Please don't apply before you've seen it in person. Let's see. Oh, this is a good thing to point out. At this building, in terms of like internet provider, it is Comcast, otherwise known as Xfinity. And this building also does have a laundromat down on the ground level. Okay, thanks so much for watching. Any other questions, feel free to reach out, or if you'd like to schedule an appointment. This has been 999 Bush, apartment 506.